use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHighCarAudio, and others. Hey, doing? Yeah, man. So could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name is it's a Keith Dudek with the team compensating.
Okay.
I got 2 ZPX 18s in a 6th order C-pillar on an MVX XAD 15 5K at 1 ohm. And Alpha Sonic 604 on the doors.
Okay. Is that a PVC pipe part of the port?
Yeah.
Oh, so you have kind of a...
It used to be a 4th order, and so it's basically I had converted it to a 6.
Okay.
Because it just as a 4th, it just weren't doing it.
Yeah.
And now as a 6, it actually opened it up a lot.
Does it play lower?
I mean, I'm still working on the lows. I think the lowest I've had it play was 27.
Yeah.
Which wasn't bad considering as a 4th, lowest that it got down to was like 33.
33? Okay. So it helped a little with the port, yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And it plays up to 66.
All right. Yeah, awesome. That's good. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it. Sounds good. So you just had this one extra battery?
It's actually a super cap.
Okay.
But it's a little tired.
It is, yeah. Upgraded alternator?
Yeah, it's a 300 amp. It's an eBay alt, but it actually, actually does what it's supposed to.
Okay.
Yeah, like I got one song on there somewhere that that the max on it is 66. And I found it yesterday, and everybody like their heads turned like what?
Yeah, it hurts.
Because they're like, was not expecting that at all.
Yeah.
And it just come through. And then I got one song that is like 110 hertz, but that's more of out the doors.
Mid bass, yeah.
Because I got everything on the amp for the sub, limited to 80.
Yes, sir.
Just so I don't hurt nothing.
Yeah, you don't want to broke.
I try and go no higher than 80 hertz. Just
Oh yeah,
I ain't
yeah.
trying to pop a cone or somewhere crap.
Yes, sir. Is there a way I can see the back? Just see how.
There ain't nothing back there.
So I
Just junk.
Okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, dude. I like it, man.
Thank you.
Any goals on improving on the box or any other work you want to do on it? Are you happy with it?
I'm thinking sometime next year I might take this box out and do a 418 beat filler.
Yeah. Okay.
But for now, I'm happy with it. I mean, like,
Yes, sir.
I wanted to go a little lower.
Yeah.
And I get my most use I can out of it first, considering everything's going up in price. I ain't trying to just
Correct. Yeah. Just
yes,
sir.
Do it.
Yeah, man.
So
Nice. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it.
You are. Hold up. Pose. Hold up. Pose. That put the free on it. Water on my neck, you can ski on it. You can't.
That put the free on it. Water on my neck, you can ski on it. You can't. I was laying in my bed while she drilled on it. Man, I took it. And my shoes was too fresh for my feet on it.
Nice. It does have good bandwidth. I like it, man. It's a little punchy.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Keith Duda.
Keith. Nice to meet you, Keith.
Nice to meet you, man.
Privilege, man. I appreciate the demo.
Hey,
Good
man,
to see you.